Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 106. So today's a little different, and you're going to want to watch this whole video because Republicans officially introduced their budget, or dropped it, as you'll hear a lot of members of Congress say. So things are about to move very quickly. And today is basically an explanation in order. Except for the first thing, which is still John Garamendi repping the rep. It's a video from Hands Off Medicaid and Social Security in Fairfield, California from May 1st. Fantastic video, he gives a great interview. So we start with Maxine Dexter, who, if you recall, was part of a 14-hour markup in the Natural Resources Committee last week. And if you don't understand what markup means, this is the video for you. And of course, you can find this video and all others in my Substack. So last night, in the dead of night, was when the Republicans introduced the bill, which Kathy Castor explains beautifully in this video. And she spent the morning with her constituents who will be affected if there are Medicaid cuts. Frank Pallone is the ranking member on the House Energy and Commerce Committee, which is where the Medicaid cuts will or will not be made. So he has today's Democratic Daily Download. The hearing begins tomorrow at 2 p.m. And we don't have the votes. So the goal of these hearings and markups is to run out the clock. To have these hearings and markups be so long and so annoying that Republicans give in, and our Democrats are prepared to do it. The same thing will be happening tomorrow in the Ways and Means Committee, except theirs is a markup. And if you watched Maxine Dexter's video, you now know what that is. The Ways and Means Committee is in charge of the taxes themselves, and Gwen Moore broke that down in this post. And Greg Landsman, who is also on the Energy and Commerce Committee, posted 7 things that will happen if the Medicaid cuts actually come to pass. Each one is worse than the last. All of these posts have the same bottom line. The best way we can stop this is by using our voices in tandem with our elected officials running out the clock. Contact your Democrats to give them and their teams encouragement to keep going, and contact Republicans enough that they get so tired they just give up. This is our power right now. And we end on a positive note. Sydney Kahnlager-Dove has a new episode of Is This Ish Legal? With Becca Balint. But this is a success story. Because of the endless fighting from you and from reps like Becca Balint, Madawi is out on bail. Sometimes the illegality matters. And we get wins like this. So watch this to learn all the ways that Balint fought back. Both emojis are about Medicaid. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with a hospital, because a lot of them will have to close if these cuts happen. And comment with a PILL if you watched the videos for yourself, because a lot of people won't be able to get their prescriptions anymore. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.